Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to reverse videos in Canva. Let's start. Open Canva and create a new project. Let's use this video as an example. Go to the App section in the left panel and search for the Video Reverser tool. Click it to open, then click the Start button to begin. Next, click Export. Wait a moment, as the processing time depends on your video's file size. Once exported, you'll see a settings screen. Adjust audio settings and playback speed to your preference. Click Reverse Video to apply the effect. Wait for the processing to complete. Click Add to Design to insert the reverse video into your project. The reverse clip will automatically save to your Canva uploads. Now, as you can see, the video quality is lower. To upscale the quality, go to the App section in the left panel and search for the Video Upscaler tool. Connect with Google. Now generate the video. As you can see here, the video quality is so much better. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.